Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to disable vibration mode on iPhone. For that you need to go on your settings. If settings is already in your screen, that's okay. If you don't have the option settings, you can go at the app library, search settings. Now tap over there. Now you can see there are various options. Scroll down a bit. Now there you can see the option accessibility. Tap over there. Now tap the option touch and you will be led to this page. Scroll down a bit. There you can see the option vibration. Now you need to turn it off. Now your vibration mode is disabled. Now after turning it off, you can go back and that's it. This is how simply you can disable your vibration mode in your iPhone. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.